Hey guys, back with my channel. Today's tutorial will show you how you can add transition in the video. As you know, transitions are the make your video flow smoothly and look professional. Here, I'm going to show you if you follow for beginners on how you can find, add, and customize in Resolve. First, you can just add the clip and your clips in the timeline like this. So I've already added a clip and split it into two like this. And to add the transition in here, you can just under the toolbox see the video transition. So there are lots of options in here that you can choose for the transition. To apply it to your clip, you can just double click on the transition that you want to use. Let's see this one, cross dissolve. And just double click and it will be applied to your clip. And just play the video to preview how it will look like. So this is the cross dissolve transition. Let's try another one. The blur dissolve. This is the blur dissolve. Okay, you can just choose the transition from here. Let's try transition. One split. See it in here. Okay, so guys, you can just choose the transition that you want for your clip in here. There are lots of options to choose. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. So I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye.